In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an account in StarTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to sign up for a StarTrader account. And when you do this, you'll get the access to your dashboard here, where you want to go to the Accounts tab. You want to go and select if you want a demo or a live account. For the live account, you'll have to first get verified, so make sure you do know that. And of course, for the demo accounts, you can use them without verification for now. So here, just click on Open Account, select whichever one you want, and then here you will have to choose a trading platform, either MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. And then you also can select your account type, and then also your account currency, your leverage, there's a bunch available, and then your account balance as well. So I'm going to do 100K, and then you want to press the submit button. Your account is going to be created, and your credentials to actually start trading are going to be sent onto your email. And of course, you can then connect to either MT4 or MT5. And if you don't know how to do it, you can just watch one of my videos on my channel. I have separate tutorials on how to actually connect it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.